Hey friends, if you have any issues updating Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the two main resolutions. So first of all, you need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot, and then select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Okay, this will start troubleshooting Windows updates, and it will troubleshoot till the problem is fixed. The next one is to reset the Windows Update components. Okay, so we have a script here, and then you can copy the script, and then you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator and paste the script here. Now I'll tell you what this script does. Okay, it will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the system distribution in Cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.